Alright guys, here we are. Came up more up on the river, more higher on the canyon. Andamos, let's see what we got. Where did you catch that bad boy? Where did you catch him? Right there? Got him. Fish on, baby. Yes, sir. Thank the Lord. My soul to take. Here we are, my buddies. Chow bros and chouts. Let's do it. Number 26. To a flip. Oh. Oh, he splashed me. He got mad at me. Yup. he sat there and went. Palmar lure's not bad. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah. Got his ass. Oh. 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 Holy moly, whack-a-mole. Look at that. Oh, my Lord. Bro. Bro. Holy shit. Holy moly, guys. Wow. Biggest one of the day, man. Biggest one of the day. This bad boy's been here a minute. Oh my Lord.
No wonder why everybody's fishing right here. He's gonna bite my finger if I whip him.
Oh my Lord, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. He's so strong. Woo. Don't go bite me, guy. Hey, 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 hey. I got you, bro. You're good. You're good. We're gonna return you. We're gonna return you. Oh, he's strong, guys. Look at this. Oh my Lord. Look at that, guys. Even than the bigger one than the one before. This one's at least a good 13, 14, I would say. Well, man, beautiful fish. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Let's get it back in the water. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh, whoa, 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 buddy. There he goes. All right, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Right on, right on, right on. Whoa, oh, my tires. Okay. There you go. Lives to fight on another day. He was hungry. I seen him chase it at the beginning. I'm like, he's not coming after it, and then a second later, whack, he slammed it. So he was just trailing it. Waiting for the right opportunity to strike. Man, oh man, oh man, that was great. What is that? Oh. Ooh, something poked it. Something hit it. Said, get out of here. Boom. Why don't you try using some worms, boss? Oh, is that a bite? No?
I just wanted to get
Oh.
stuff in.
It's getting a little hot out here. Alright, man. Stop this little bit here. It's getting hot. It's gonna die on me.